Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, House's Kitchen. Today I want you to make the best fried chicken you've ever made in your life. This will be crispy, this will be juicy, tender, and very, very crunchy. Please stay with me to the end and let's get cooking. I removed the skin from these drumsticks to make them a little lighter and healthier, but feel free to leave them on. The extra flavor and crispy texture are absolutely delicious. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. There are many ways to do it, but today I'm using the classic method, buttermilk. It is a technique which helps the chicken stay tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. This seasoning will infuse the chicken with the bold flavor and create a delicious, crispy, flavorful fried chicken. Whisk everything together until the seasoning are fully incorporated and the marinade is smooth and well combined. Now pour the marinade over the chicken pieces and toss them well, making sure every piece is evenly coated. This will help the flavor penetrate the meat and ensure every bite will be delicious at the end. Let the chicken marinate in the fridge for about 1 hour, but if you have time, an overnight marinade will give you the best flavorful and tender result. Now it's time to prepare the dredge, the seasoned coating that will give our fried chicken its crispy golden brown crust. For dredge, combine 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using gluten-free. You can use whatever you like. Half a cup of starch, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of freshly cracked black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix everything thoroughly to evenly distribute it and make sure that all mixed with the flour. My drumsticks have been marinated overnight, soaking up all those incredible flavor. Now it's time for the best part, coating them in our seasoned dredge and start frying. In a bowl, combine about 3 scoops of marinade and a few spoonfuls of the dredge. Mix them together very well to create a slurry. This will give the chicken an extra crispy coating. Now we have our thick batter and our seasoned dredge ready to go. Let's mix. Remember, use one hand for wet ingredients and the other hand for dry one. Please remember, when you add the chicken to the dry dredge, gently press the flour mixture onto the surface of each piece. This will help the coating sticks well and create the extra crispy crust we are looking for. All the pieces are ready. Now it's time to fry. Let's get the oil hot and start cooking these drumsticks to crispy golden perfection. I've got a pot filled halfway with sunflower oil. You can use any natural oil you prefer. Just make sure it has a high smoking point so it can handle the heat. The oil has reached 345 Fahrenheit, perfect and ready for frying. Carefully lower the first batch of chicken pieces into the hot oil, working slowly to avoid the splashes. Medium-sized drumsticks will take about 15 minutes to cook, but always go by temperature, not just time. Make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degree Fahrenheit. That's when they are perfectly cooked and safe to eat. Repeat the frying process in batches until all the chicken is cooked and they are beautifully golden brown. I also cooked some sweet corn as a simple side dish. Dinner is ready. Now it's time to taste. Beautiful. So delicious. Juicy and very crunchy. Let's get that. Very sweet corn. It's very delicious. I hope you follow this recipe and share it with your friends and family, and make this dish and give me thumbs up, and let me know in the comment how did you like this recipe. See you next time. Bye.